A merchant claims to make a profit of 12.5% on his goods, but actually makes 25% by using false weight. Then when he is preferring to sell 1 kg, how much did he actually sell? So he's using a false weight. He's saying that he's selling 1 kg, but actually he's not selling 1 kg. He's weighing less. So actually, how much did he sell is the question. So he's making 12.5, which means 1 upon 8. So he's making a profit of 1 upon 8, which means if his cost was 8, he's making a profit of 1, so he's selling at 9. But actually he's saying that he's selling 1000 grams, but यहाँ पर actually में वो बेच रहा होगा कुछ कम, because he's using a false weight. So can I say 2, 25, 250, 1, 125. So X का समान जो है वो 125 into 9 is how much? So I will do 100 into 9 is 900 plus 29 plus 25 into 9 is 225. So X का समान वो बेच रहा है कितने में? 1125 में. So what actually is his profit? 1125 minus X over X into 100, that is his profit percentage, which is given to be 25. ये कट कर दिया तो ये 4 हो जाएगा. Then I will just 1225 into 4 minus 4x equals to x. So 1125 into 4 is 5x. So x is 1125 into 4 upon 5. 5 2s are 10, 12, 5 2s are 10, 5, 5s are 25. So 225 into 4 is the value that is actually selling. So 225 into 4 would be 450, 450, 900 grams. So actually he is selling 900 grams, but he's saying he's giving 1000 grams. So this is the answer. So actually how much did he sell? He sold 900 grams. Next. A dishonest shopkeeper makes cheating while buying the goods and while selling also. He promises to sell his goods at 11.11% loss, find profit. तो अभी दोनों बारे में चीट कर रहा है, खरीदते टाइम भी चीट कर रहा है और बेचते टाइम भी चीट कर रहा है. He promises to sell his goods at 11.11% loss. So यहाँ पर 3 इफेक्ट हो रहा है. While buying is cheating, while selling is cheating, and then he is actually, when the transaction is happening, he is saying कि मेरा cost इतना था, इतने का मैं loss कर रहा हूँ. So let us put this effect in successive scenario. So while buying is cheating by 22.5%. So if I say 22.5% means 10 plus 12.5%. So in fraction it will be 1 by 10 plus 1 by 8. 18 by 80 is 9 by 40. So actually he's saying he's buying 49, but actually he's buying 40, but due to the faulty, he's using a 9 ka faulty weight. So basically, he's saying 40 he's buying, but is actually getting 49, correct? Then while selling, he's using 6.66% ka less weight. So 6.66, 16.66% minus 10%. So that is 1 by 6 minus 1 by 10. So 10 minus 6 upon 6, 1 upon 15. So actually, there also he's cheating. So what the cheating is doing? He's doing a cheating of 1 on 15, which means he's actually saying that he's selling 16, but actually he's selling only 15. So that's the cheating he's doing. and then he's taking a loss of 11.11%, which is 1 by 9. So he's saying कि 9 का goods वो 8 में बेच रहा है. So this is what actually the scenario is happening. 8 will get cancelled with 5. Nothing else is getting cancelled. So this will be 75 into 9. He's selling at 49 into 16. This is 675. 75 into 9. This is 4. Carry forward 8. Carry forward 7. 784. So if I calculate the difference between these two, it is 109 over 675 into 100. So that's what is going to be 0.1 यहाँ चला गया, 1 675 लिया, so 325 plus 9 और गया, 0 आया, 6 और 6. So probably 16.66% should be the profit he should be finally making. So in this type of calculation, you should go and see my mental maths videos where I've shown how to calculate this kind of things. Basically, this type of calculations might come in like GMAT or CAT type of exams. So you should be very well versed with doing mental calculation, mental mathematics. You should watch those videos. You should practice those methods so that you don't waste time in doing such type of calculations, right? Next. A trader sells his good to his customer at K% over the cost price. Besides this, he gives 880 grams instead of 1 kg. His overall profit is 25%. Find K. Simple. So what he's saying is, if his goods are costing 100, is marking it up by 100 plus K. Then he's saying he's selling 1000 grams, but actually he's giving only 880 grams. And then in this entire transaction, he's making a 25% profit. Then I have to find the value of K. So these two will get cancelled, 0, A cancel. So his 88 is selling at 100 plus K. So actually इसका profit percentage कितना है? 100 plus K minus 88. So that is 12 plus K over 88, that is the cost, into 100. That is given to me as 25%. So I'll cancel this 4. This will be 22. So 12 plus K is 22. So K is 10. So 10% का K का value है. K का value 10 है. Next. A shopkeeper marks his goods 25% and offers a discount of 10%. He cheats to an extent of 10% while buying and selling by using false weight. Find his overall profit. So, first of all, he's marking his goods of 100 to 125. Then he's offering a discount. So, second would be 100, he's selling at 90. Then he's cheating while buying and while selling. So while buying and he's cheating to 10%, which means he shows that he's getting 100, but actually he gets 110. That's what it means by while buying. And while selling, he uses a 10% false weight, which means he's saying he's selling 100, but actually he's selling 90. So this is what is happening in the entire scenario. This 100 will get cancelled with this 100. This 90 will get cancelled with this 90. This will get cancelled with this. Correct? This 4 will get cancelled with this 5. So 40 is getting at 55. Correct? Which means his overall profit is 15 over 40 into 100. बहुत सारे वीडियोस है, प्लीज इस वीडियोस को देखिए और लाइक कीजिए और सब्सक्राइब कीजिए मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल को. आई विल गेट मोर एंड मोर मोटिवेटेड. इफ यू हैव any doubts connecting to these videos or any other problems, please get in touch with me on my number, on my WhatsApp number. WhatsApp to me. Thank you so much.